Hi, today in this video we are going to talk about the consume operation of JMS connector. There are two options we have: consume and listener for consuming a message from a queue or a topic. The difference between is that consume we have to start flow from somewhere else, and the consume operation will follow. Like you can see here, we have used HTTP listener, and after the HTTP listener is in the source, and then it will send an event for the consume, and then consume will start the operation of consuming a message from a queue or a topic. Whereas listener can be used in the source section, consume is used in the process section. And here in the source section we can use listener, which will actively listen for a message in the topic or a queue. If we go here in the consume, we have to there's nothing different, just we need to specify consumer type, which is queue consumer. We have another topic consumer, or we can specify an expression or a bean reference. There are acknowledgement methods. There can be immediate acknowledgement and manual acknowledgement. We have discussed about those. Then there's a selector that if we want to specify that what message to select, like we can filter out the messages, which messages to select. I have given an example in which we can use priority as a message selector. You can watch out my other videos. Then content type, we have seen this, and we have discussed those. And we can store a message in a target variable, target value, and use reconnect strategy